In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from FanDuel to your Cash App account. First, withdraw your money from FanDuel into either PayPal or your bank account. If FanDuel only allows withdrawals to PayPal, then transfer that money from PayPal to your bank account. Once the money is in your bank, open Cash App. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Linked Banks. Here, you can either link your debit card or choose No Card to link your bank account directly. Tap Continue, select your bank from the list, and log in with your online banking details. This will connect your bank account to Cash App. After linking, go back to the home screen and tap on the banking icon. Then select Add Cash. Choose the amount you want to transfer from FanDuel, or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Tap Add to confirm. If your bank or debit card is linked correctly, the money you withdrew from FanDuel will now move from your bank into your Cash App balance. That's it. You've successfully transferred your money from FanDuel to Cash App.